Hey everybody, welcome to the Hill Gardens. My name is Jason and I am one of the co-owners here at the Hill Gardens in Fort Fairfield. As you can tell, I'm not by the garden or in my kitchen today. Right now I'm waiting for my wife to get out of work. I'm going to pick her up. It's a gorgeous day. It's in the 40s. I actually have the sunroof open, as you can see, window open, and it's just fantastic out today. And I'm hoping that this is a sign that we're going to have a proper spring on Tuesday. I just want to come to you really quick and ask you a quick favor for the coming season as the temperatures are going up. I know we're all excited to get outside, get our yards ready, get our gardens ready, get ready for the spring season. I'm going to ask you to do me one simple favor. I know you want to get any dead grass or debris or leaves or anything like that up and taken care of. But what I want you to do is I want you to leave it till probably, I'd say, middle of April to end of May, somewhere in there. We normally do our big cleanup about the second week of May. The reason is because a lot of pollinators and a lot of birds and things like that make their nests for the winter in those things of leaves and twigs and grass that's fallen over and stuff like that. But I want you to really take care of leaving it as long as possible. You can clean it up once it gets warmer and these things leave, but all the solitary bees in there, like the mason bees, carpenter bees, things of that, they will build nests in there for the winter to protect themselves. And if you go out disturbing it and we get those cold nighttime temperatures, they're not going to have a place to stay warm and stay protected from the elements. We're still getting down in the 20s and teens at night. So leave that stuff alone for now, because we really want to keep the birds around. They help control insects. We want to keep the bees around because they pollinate our crops and our flowers. So just please leave that stuff alone until probably the middle of May or so, like we do. It's really important to keep the ecology and the ecosystem and those creatures. Let them live for a few more weeks there. It's not going to hurt you. So I do thank you for your time. My wife had to be out here any minute. So I will be seeing you in touch. We have another video uploading on Monday in regards to zones and planting your crops and getting ready for the season. I do thank you for your time. Remember, keep your food spicy, your thumb green, and have a fantastic day. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye.